Hi everyone, here's my Homelight 30cc that I converted a little while back. I'm going to put this one on my Great Plains Giant Super Sportster. It had a racing Ryobi 31cc on it, and my buddy Ari's wanted it, so I sold that engine to him, and he's going to put it on his Giant Great Plains Big Stick. But with this one here, screens, low motor, everything's done to it. I put a bigger carburetor on it, a bigger Walbro new bore carburetor on it. It picked it up nicely. It gets about 8,000 RPM up top now. The hand starts so easy, idles at 1,700 RPM for days. And with this Master Air Screw Classic Series 18.8 propeller, it's 93 octane gas and 2 ounces of oil. Now here we go. Y'all be seeing this here before long. Flying my Giant Super Sportster. I'm making another backplate motor mount for it out of square aluminum. Hollow on the inside. The but no starter required. Long champing on my 32. Well, there you have it, everyone. Had a lot of fun with this one. Homelite 30cc, converted right by Gary Troutman, Dr. Toon. Weed Whacker RC Engine Conversions by Gary Troutman, Dr. Toon. I want to thank everyone for watching, and God bless.